I believe this is your website. Yeah. The reason that I'm recording this video for you is that I'm being trained in a website design and I want to show you a website that you might like. Wait, I'm gonna show it to you now. Here. My boss figures that an agency could get like $1,200 to $1,500 or maybe more for a website like this. Yeah, I would add your photos here in the gallery and maybe some contact details that you want to add on here in the contact link. And also, if you want to add some information about services that you are giving here in this link and maybe about the company, you can also add it here. Yeah, if this website is would be help or would be good for you or helpful for you, do me a favor, hit a reply and let me know. If not, no big deal. Oh, I forgot to mention, my name is Julie and I am working with Agent Boomer Marketing and Red Deer. Yeah, talk to you soon. Thank you.